Understanding Dupe, a guide for English language learners. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. We are going to delve into the world of English phrases, focusing on the term dupe. This word might seem short and simple, but it carries quite a powerful meaning. So, buckle up as we unravel the mysteries of dupe together. The term dupe is commonly used in English as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a person who is easily deceived or tricked. For example, if someone falls for a scam or a prank, they can be called a dupe. As a verb, dupe means to deceive or trick someone into believing something that is not true. It involves misleading someone, usually for personal gain or advantage. For instance, if someone convinces you to buy a fake product claiming it's real, they have duped you. Now, let's look at how we can use dupe in sentences. 1. As a noun, he realized too late that he was a dupe in their elaborate scheme. 2. As a verb, the con artist managed to dupe him into giving away his bank details. In these examples, dupe is used to express the action of deceiving and the state of being deceived. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help enrich your vocabulary and grasp the nuances of dupe. Synonyms: deceive, trick, fool, mislead. Antonyms: enlighten, inform, protect. When using dupe, ensure that you are using it in the right context. It is a term that involves deception, so it should be used in scenarios where there is trickery involved. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of dupe. Remember, English is a vast and fascinating language, and every word has its unique place and meaning. Don't forget to practice using dupe in your conversations to get a good grip on it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy learning!